Hello, welcome to another quick video brought to you by make-cash.biz, the website which brings you lots of different ways to make money both offline and online. So this video is something that everyone can take advantage of, and that is because pretty much everyone buys stuff online nowadays. And all you do is you sign up to a cashback site. So if this link will be in the description below the video, you click on it and it will take you to this page where it explains exactly how it works. But basically any website that you buy anything from, and that doesn't just have to be products, that can be even things like taking out contracts from mobile phones, your electricity and gas supplier. All you do is you sign up to a cashback site and then you visit the cashback site before you make an online purchase. So we recommend Top Cashback as they're the largest and highest paying site online. And let's say, for example, you wanted to buy a new bike from Halfords as an example. Okay, so you just search Top Cashback for Halfords and you'll see that it is there. So you click on that and then you will just click through to Halfords. This link will take you to the website, and each site gives you different percentage of cashback. So anything you spend at Halfords, you'll get 3.15% cashback into your Top Cashback account. Now, I've personally made over £1,000 with this site alone, and it's all just extra cash. The good thing about it is, like I say, almost every major high street store will be on this site, as well as some others. Just always check this before you buy anything, even things like insurance, as you can see there. And another little bonus is that when you go to cash out your balance from this site, you can actually upgrade and get a further additional bonus on top. So if you were to cash it out for a Tesco card, a gift card, I think they pay you an extra 7%, something like that, or you can have it as cash straight into your bank account. So that's it, that's all you do. It's as simple as that, and it does add up over time. Some things you get quite high cashbacks for, even things like holidays. If you're booking through Thomas Cook, something like that online, that's all on there as well. So check it out, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and we will bring you lots more videos on how to make extra cash online.